Papa to any Nagaviasia, Penny Papiana, Nyamia, although one part, the body fitiasia, they were young, was not the ashe. Mama would to me one in Nassau, or I was sending us what the Pomo would dance. Can she rap your dear? And he gave you life and he gave you wisdom. And
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Tell me what are we doing on our part at the Empona? I'm a young who said was some yabo. I'm bringing them. What why ye men young born? Oh, yeah. Oh, Panasia men young born. Ye no so growing them, ye. Abraham, the men you. For the new night, above one pim sorry, cotton, and so you saw the nature of boy who buying a humor brought to Hoda or at the table time, and my friend Fisher will phone to me in Ayada. Yet think when we had the Nasadaka, to was sorry and no pa, now we see Pisita, your father Brazil go to Guinea and Papa, Franco Munka, you could die one now, I'm at the idea, and I do the summer Masapa to cry you. As I died, the over is a mighty one, Lord of Lords. So even bed in your heart with grievous. Be faithful with God, no pretense. Grateful for the blood of Jesus. Shirano Beba Musu. And your man, Abba, you deserve the praises. What why you man, there is no other. You are so
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
And I search for him, Abraham, when I mean, no. I said, right, so music from the legendary Bravo and causes one more for man, and of course, the Yanko Poyama and their dozen. It's here, I said, I told Tomonin and Pejania Digida. The myself were ready. Yamobia Chimobia called by about 93.3 of them, and it is 43 minutes after 10. Busia. Me just saw your egg me champ on the button. Sounds now waiting from a Cobana Costi, and as a brand for the perfect gentleman. So it's a Thursday, 7th day of the month, September 2023. Maybe I will be a no more quababium as some watch at the back of Safidia. So, and then I did the kind of Casafidia to have a patrol. I Henkan 93.3 of them. Jumedia is at the Adwuma-Adwuma. Now, Adwuma-Adwuma, no, I'm sure your main motive. Okay, into that TNA. So, Adwuma, Adwuma, in fact, you see the moment there. Sometimes it means slow down production. What do I say? This is what we do. We are Adwuma. Na yenso ya bawonyum de na ye counsel de na information bia wo share de man bia no na ye de man so na be ya wo dwuma no so wo be stress bia na ade bia fi mu e wo champa wo ba dwuma what I say. So our main motive is that whatever we say here or whatever we do here entertains you to the mass. Maybe just send me a message. I was 0533-898-915 0533-898-915 SMS now for WhatsApp number. Wait till me start joining and showing live on Facebook. And to go Facebook and now search for Ahenkan 93.3 FM. We always a video need Pegu honey there. Right, so a big thank you to the production team. Big thank you and command DJ Kobe K and also the rest of the team. Folks, and there Yawada. In the countless column, obviously, will come in your way, and our friends, your daily dose of motivations will also come in your way. Your friend, your Jenny, me champ on the boating. After my Mary, quick shout out now, Faye. Yan twas for Nadia. And in a quick shout out and come on, Mr. Urban Fashion. I watch him a Babu Chrome here. And our friends Fosti of Sanfors Ventures, Mr. Chumesi, and I'll pay me patch or daddy. Maybe about call there. We did your pants on what ding and coupon shows on the idea. To what ding. Our friends okay and all for good morning and come on Muna. Your more much masane. I send the phone in any work up. And come on Salum de Gambia. Berman Quine. And a nation pabo afia watching my sonny with Duma say. Good morning. Nanaya way of organizer our Bompire Johnson. Kate, Natural Look Beauty Saloon, and our Bapa Comforts. We're gonna more Bompire Johnson, our friends Daisy Beauty Bar, our Bompire Johnson. Good morning. And come on, Bramaika SDA Johnson or a carpenter, and our friends of Mahana, Wapamadia Sad Tongobe, our SDA Johnson or Yajankwan, Honabonijo. And our friends will come exclusive beauty saloon to SDA Johnson. It's Chamina will be a Juma. Our friends, Mama Vida, or Jubilee Bridge in so. Rejoice Fashion Jubilee Bridge in so good morning and come on more and our for parties golden scissors and they is it about packets parts about their friends saying and they are parts by birthday and about packets and on my bono it's not about packets happy birthday and for and come out and they your birthday na okay o de min kasa bebre and me point me ba me pa cho me pe birthday sakola bia o madam dini birthday sakola bi anwamo ni beef ni ere wo die die me point me ba wo de mo twen Ashera Beauty Saloon, good morning. Genesi Fashion, Richmond Quesidance, or stop over upsy to our one nana, and Nana send rap and easy. What's say home, mammy? Martina. Anyways, as we go out in 93.3 of Emmanuel Mauga, always dependable beauty saloon, or ASC Newtown, and I'll say his graceful Ishmael, and I'll pay with you. Good morning, son. Come Charities Fashion, or Kameni Junction, DJ Lion, or Kameni Junction. I feel so Jaji, our Kameni Junction, and a Quality Fashion, our Liberty Transport Entrance, one Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and Ananajua, and I'll pay you Chamugina, watching Madam Government Hospital, Bibia, Hobia, Uti, and watching our Kwaba. Juma. Right, so to all my taxi drivers, you know I can't do a show without giving you guys a shout out, right? It's a big shout out and come on, Brad David, Apasco, Raouf, MP3, Staga, Obama, Ricardo, Tanko, Obatampa, Jonathan, Medici, Amos, Ambrose, Apia, and come on, Banchi, Tilapia, Jerry, and come on, Richmond. And I'll say Baruso boy, Brakwami Okasie, Pierrot, and Avizi. It's a woman and I'll pay. Ain't you the uncrunch? I'll say, my bro. Like I said, and then you're the council like you do the boy in bedding come on. The patch and the council don't boy in bedding come on, I'll pay. Nah. Jenny, come on, my main can't topic in the show now for you. Alright, so yeah, sure how to know you are in love. And I said, how do you know you are in love? How do you know you are in love? Over there, who's a water dome? Our water dome. Or that show there, Bibino. So today, from the counselor's perspective, how are you going to know you are in love? You see, there's a thin line between love and lust. There's a thin line between love and lust. Before, I used to say there's a huge difference between love and lust, but just recently I realized no. the difference between love and lust, it is not huge. Debbie. At a sad boy and I am a tidy to me true. So most of a man baby did remember baby now confused with lust to be love. I think sometimes we will say bra and be one or be do what you know, not just say or tata now or candy or back now so a bride your domio, a bride or back carry no, but when you had some man gonna pack, I would say, what was it? Your love, it was last. And there's this thin line between love and lust. Right, so from counselor's perspective, counselor will tell us how a choir before who said this one day it's a genuine love. Charlie Matodum, hey, my folly basa. Hey, me who my choma be powerful upon Miss Resa. My choma powerful. Anyway, it's 93.3 of FM, the daily dose of motivations, bro. But stay tuned when counselor joins us. Obe who choir, who said there be what I'm experiencing, and your last, but your love. Hey, my first time I can love. The first time I can love. Okay, me can love. So let me tell the reason why I think about 15 years in the mean can't love that. SS. I think it's a form 2 or something. Anna, me, who's it? Hey, me so me let us go get school pound. So there was this, I think it was a fanfare or something. Anna, me, I change mama minka. Anna, your man who yaba. Anna, me ko catcher will be fine, guess every donor. It's Mr. Sodia. They be another minka. It's what when I was trying to tell the girl, blah. And I'm me tekrama at Dane. So instead of telling her I love you, I love you. So I love you, said no. I'm saying I love you. It's me tekrama Dane. I'm saying me feel go and can love you. Master, that thing is love. Simple. I will tell you I love you. What is I love you? Me can't. You see, I don't feel comfortable since that time, no. Hey, I don't feel comfortable saying love. I love you. No, me can't. Me feel say manual phone. Can I be? And how can I say? What can I say?
Hello,
hey, I love you. I love you. Because I love you. Baby, me can't manual phone. For this sad time now be seeing it. Acho Mano me take my dane. Hey, so that no be na madam for Prince J. Prince na hear me. Prince J na yes ade na peltim so de ko kromati team form. And I'm dey hear me buy rough. If when I'm say sa word no. Love, when can be da. Me can love, no come baby simple. Tia. Today be I love you, but I love you dey me can I am say. Ma can tam kese pa. Right, so counselor will join us na yahwe. A kwanya will be a fast way who say what you are experiencing is love and not lust. So stay tuned on the 3.3 FM. Let's enjoy music from Kobena or Bravo Rap Software. Bon famano.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
When in a heavy when he pepiana and yamia, although one part, the body fit here, they were was not the ashe. Oma would to me one in Nasu, or I was sending us what the Pomo would dance from. Can she repair what the Ashra Memphis, that woman he gave you life and he gave you wisdom, gift of knowledge and many more. Day and night, rain and sunshine, time and seasons, your daily talk. Tell me what are we doing on our part? I'm a young man who said was some yabo. hoda oye tete botan ema wo rem fi se wo phone to me na yeda Dabida yetin kwemu yede na sedaka ti wo sorry anopa na wo si pisita ye fa for brate ni go to dwene ya no papa fra kuma munka ye kodai wonu na wa mate atie anaju de so ma basa pa du kra ye mu and that died Jehovah is the mighty one Lord of lords so even bed in your heart with grievous be faithful with God no traitors grateful for the blood of Jesus Shira no beba mrusu and yonya menya popo Abba you deserve the praises what why ye menya popo there is no other you are so amazing when we look at all your creation
so hinyamie Abraham nyameno asida. Right, so 93.3 of music of a bravo. Monfamano. Monfasada Emma Coupon. He's so amazing. Right, so you have a daily dose of motivations, and of course, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery at the Romano. Maybe I know them say, Wamosoyasana, Eddie and Cran share as Semedia Bro. Right, so Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, away at Chim or Liberty Transport. Right, so Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, Adaroma, Manopebia, and Transia. Yeah, I thought to say I will see a show on crime. Yeah, Shani Tibiano, I will see a show on crime. You see, you say there are so many things going on, and what you need is that particular motivational message. Yenim say, a thing. But I send you how to be back country. Ube who says sending a TV and never fat. And I make country was say, I said, I could be a member of Taikan say, Nakupon should be a man in the Namasa Society. And to send out TV and fashion with him say, there will be a day. Yes, there will be a day, one day, be because and now at the Papaya, Eba, my brabo, and I may struggle, Sano. And I may pray me Hosano. And another says, me who they are me Hosano. Right, so anything I ya far to ya Hosan as Yakachi and say, no pebia, no sanitibiano. We will do our best to motivate you. We will do our best to tell you how best you can live your life. Now, our daily dose of motivations this morning is from Katrina Maya. Now, I said, loving yourself isn't vanity, it's sanity. Loving yourself isn't vanity, it's sanity. People, I've seen people. Sabi. When see cry on with thing. Make just say confo beka se me ye dwe. Confo beka se me wesika na me mo confo. Confo beka se be ye say. Listen. Shani etie bia no, put yourself first. Me say so bi that man. Shani etie bia no, put yourself first. I know it's in the Bible. Say, love your neighbor as you love yourself, right? Bible anka say do unia na tan ho. O say do unia se na do wo ho. Me desa wanka say do unia na tan ho. Entina make I just say whatever you do, and am obia ube tu bia no, put yourself first. Put wo ho. Consider yourself first. And sana what consider before for. Me say en conform to me sabi enti me shout at the pa enti me dressy because ya tag you mo. Say o dressing kwan dia. O ya dre o. Me hu me lady bia. Omo say oye o chere no ho wo mo ka so o chere ne ho nyan so bi so ne nkasa da. You know why? She in fact or dressing good. Anna ye live in a society so be dressing good it's either or your oba or ye memasem or chere no ho ombu ade or your oba be man so dia bra we poor pema just because of dress it, just because we're putting the home first, we're considering the home first. I catch it and I say no, whatever it is, I need to put myself first. See, obi wa on this girl, but an appearance alone with her, you say brave whisker, and I'm a boy. On this guy, yes, on this guy, but I catch it and I say, see, I have to love myself. Don't yeah, love yourself. And like I say, Katrina Maya said, loving yourself isn't vanity. Listen, and you yourself fair dear, say what don't, and you yourself fair dear, say what dress it, but it's sanity. Now, when we talk about sanity, it's the ability to think and behave in a normal and rational manner. That is the meaning of sanity. So, if you put yourself first, if you consider yourself first, you wouldn't think or care about what people are talking or saying about you. Your sanity matters. Your sanity matters. I've heard people saying, "Bravo, this is not dressing your pema." Do not care. Men fan show dreams. Yes, I will dress it to pema and na fe dressing crowd be jai dress more. Your sanity matters. And yet they are more canning. I was say a break you. Now for bra yanka or dressing now for bra you came I say bra we pan and e ban saying safona ebe sakas na bra we da for the ban say na tade 20 e na the bra you hu is na beti eni shui but safona na wo dress na ye can say or dress there. Love yourself first. Don't canning. Do not care about what people are saying. Nipa de ye de nipa ade ba ko e wo so bi ahye ne so asase so say enipa ye nipa me meti ye se ne adwen a me dwen no enye no bi na obi so dwen ade a me hu abe normal ama me no enye normal ama obi ade a be normal ade ama won so no enye normal ama me eti no hu ni say whatever you do e was asase so Yankopon nya fa na ben mbo mu pon ni de adie bia wo be wasase su bia bani obi aka ho asem. It's simple that sofo kra na nkofo ka ho asem mo. O sofo we first na obaye na onye kese sisi de we decoration na wa kese. Na nka sabi o. Uye ya enye kese na we. Ana wo obi a wa ya ne so tia na etida. Da bi unyi a wo be sesa. Ye nu asofo bi wa sebe. Wo mo ba no hu mo pictures out dim say no more struggle. But Yankopon adom wo ma ye Yankopon satom so ama nkofo shara wo nkofo boa won wo ha no bia from papa me pese me bless so with be 2000. So are you telling me say blessing aba na brabo no still na ne sonte dabi but nkofo be ka osofo we akwankyere obeji usikedi obeye enipa da be ka. So put yourself first. Forget about what they are saying. Tibi, but you need to develop a tough skin. Develop a tough skin. You be catch you mu bebre say ni kwan nyame adom ye fa so tete enti no nsem bi wo ha yete en fa ye ho make up na boatin like this kwan my grandmother fa so tete binti enyoma bi wo ho no ma memete a en fa me ho ma consider me ho na me put me ho first. So this is me. I am not living life to please anyone. I'm living life because I've considered myself first. Me person also yes sir, I want you to do same. You better come wasem, but love yourself first. Fashion with him say loving yourself first or loving yourself isn't vanity. It's sanity. The underlying word here is sanity. Your sanity matters. Your sanity matters. Right, my main coming home, bra. Yakoba Everton and Yabakum, you know, for any council like it doing the Boahen, and so Edding come here on 93.3 FM. See, and you ever share a quiet about fast who say you are in love. Yeah, my told about your midnight chini adi. Me sure there your door, and I'm sure there man green and me pay be a dinati.
I swear. Nyamianim no krani say bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, Mitrima me do. Mitrima me do. Me wife wa hen. Besini ko Preferland weekend zibien. Esan say, bia bia o kopel as what rufie. Bibia bi wo ho. Management no so ya tight. Wo mo nipa ho do. Eni to kra ni Japan. Besini ko Preferland Hotel. Say who di birthday party. Oh worry. Ana ye na de wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Preferland Hotel. Adentia. O car park kesi or baby green grass and what that diagro kama nanipunu a yakona be international standard. Ujalini na air corner safa filtemu. Punus Ujaria unse yes Ujalini pensio. A konankasa Preferland Hotel or what dial drop a bray as a Ujuani bra unya busanbenya baby ada. Na so no kanji ones go no problem. E bonus you cool. Enya nunku. So pensa no ma outdoor bia ya tuntumbo Preferland Hotel. Enyum chetia so abri bia. Enti achomu da man so ene ne important phone na cross for mo ho. Preferland Hotel bamamo. None ma sem de bia wo. Kwasia de bia aye pool party. Esanso e mutual special. Brabe didi na se dwale. Preferland Hotel, I watch him maso. Would you nyatre achum da kwano so na? Presby school na chipe. Fresh 0551 187 926. Anase 0507 640 302. Preferland Hotel, Fresh is here. Ne abama.
I love you.